we're gonna make a great dish today. It's a chicken scallopini with capers and spinach.
Woo-hoo!
Delicious. I can smell it already.
Let's do it. So for you folks probably wondering what scallopini and where that name come from, but in Italian that means just thin slice of meat, thin cut of meat. So that's pretty much what it is. We got some thinly sliced chicken breast right here. First thing first, get a pan going. Get some light olive oil in there. When you saute, you don't use too much of heavy oil because it's gonna smoke too much. So what we're gonna do is get some salt and pepper in the chicken, both sides. Always season your chicken, whatever protein you use.
Now I notice when you season, you hold your fingers up high.
Yeah.
Why is that?
So if you're too low, it's gonna drop in one area, like one big blob of salt and pepper.
Okay.
You wanna spread the love.
Spread the love.
Up high. You wanna try a little bit? Try a little bit.
Sure. Oh, it does make a difference.
Yeah.
I've seen it on TV and I never knew why. Can you buy a regular chicken breast and just pound it out?
Oh yeah, definitely. Sometimes if you have a regular chicken breast and it's too big, slice it open and call it butterfly it, and we pound it to the thickness you want.
Okay.
If you go too thick with the chicken breast and trying to pound it, it probably split. So you want to cut it open first.
Okay.
Then we pound it out.
Okay.
So when you put a chicken in a pan or like whatever protein, you want to put the presentation side down. For this side, it's going to be the presentation side. So you want this side go down in the pan first.
All right.
You should hear that sizzle. And whenever you're placing protein in a pan, don't place it towards you. Place it away from you. So you burn the cameraman instead of burning yourself, you know? You don't want to splash yourself.
You don't want to get oil on that beautiful jacket.
No. No, no, no. So we're gonna get some beautiful color on this. And we're gonna pop it in the oven so it can cook all the way through.
Now, cooking this for a minute or two, would you ever put a cover on it or is it always open?
Always open because the cover is gonna create steam and it's gonna probably cause a fire. Ooh. And also you want the color in that chicken. That's what we're all about.
Okay.
Color equal flavor. Going in the oven, we're gonna make this sauce.
All right.
We're gonna do some chicken stock in. You can make your own or store-bought chicken stock is fine. We've got some capers. Get that rolling. Then we got some lemon zest.
All right. Zest it up.
Zest it up. Lemon zest going in. It's added flavor. Love it. And not only we using the zest, we're gonna use some of the juice too.
Okay.
Break these up to release all natural flavors in it. A little crush. You got some fresh dill.
Okay.
If you can't find fresh, it's okay. The dry is fine too.
Smells
So
great.
we're pretty much making a sauce right here. And you don't want to add any salt to this because the capers are so briny already. And this should be good. Another pan on the stove. It's a little olive oil again. It's a little bit. And now we're going to cook our spinach.
Okay.
All the way around. Spinach is tricky. Like you could start off with this much and get this much when you cook it because there's so much water in spinach. We're gonna start with our garlic first. Garlic in the pan. You don't want the pan to be too hot when you're cooking garlic because you're gonna burn it.
Right.
Start off low and gradually like adding heat. I'm just gonna release all of those aromas. Spinach in.
And how long are we going to cook this?
So we're pretty much cooking this until it's like wilted all the way. So just keep moving around. We're just making it shrink. Got me a nice plate right here. What we're going to do, so we'll pack these up a little
And
bit.
that took no time.
No time.
No time.
And finish it off. Just a little salt and pepper.
Now this dish could be chicken scallopini. You could replace that protein and make it a veal scallopini if you prefer veal. But everything else would remain the same.
The sauce right here, we're just gonna put it right on top.
Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good, folks.
And you can put whatever side you want. That's perfect as a meal right there because we're thinking about health, you know what I mean? And also like portion-wise,
Right.
that's perfect. That's all, pretty much all you need.
Add a side salad, or maybe you want some cauliflower rice or other grilled vegetables, whatever you want to add to it. But this is a whole meal in and of itself. Thanks for joining us today. Join us next time with Chef Darian for the Plating Society.
Thank you.
I'm Donna Herberger. the Ideal You Weight Loss Center, and this is All Things Ideal.
See you guys soon. Let's go.
All things I